Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. This is your Glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY of these beautiful elephant wall decor. Let me start by saying that I'm a little bit under the weather, so if my voice seems a little bit raspy, it's because I have a cold. But I wanted to bring this video out to you as soon as possible. So if you want to see how I put all this together, keep on watching. So here are the items that you will need for this DIY. You may remember these elephants. I had picked them up for my daughter's baby shower in May and spray painted them gold. We'll be using those, as well as 3 chargers. I'm choosing to use 2 gold and 1 white for contrast. And I'm also using these mirrors that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'll be spraying them to kind of brighten them up a little bit. I'll also be using my contact cement for a tight hold, and definitely using my Gorilla Glue sticks with my hot glue gun. Now, in an effort to have the elephants look like they're walking out of the mirror, I had to cut them in half. So I'm using a very big knife, and what I do first is I score it all the way around, and then I start to cut away until I'm able to poke a hole in it. Once you get that hole in it, then you can just move the knife all the way around the body of it for it to come right off. It takes a little bit of effort, but the end results are absolutely beautiful. If you have a better way of cutting it in half, then hey, go ahead and share that with me. And after a little bit of wrestling, ta-da! It is cut in half and we are ready to go. So I went ahead and spray painted the mirrors with gold metallic spray just to kind of brighten it up a little bit, making it a little bit more shiny. And one of the elephants I did spray paint in white, and after I did, some of the gold kept shining through, and I don't mind it at all. Yeah, I think it gives it a nice look, and I'm gonna roll with it. Here is the spray paint that I used to get the gold. It's Rust-Oleum, and I use the white Rust-Oleum to spray paint the elephant as well. So to get started, I'm going to give the elephant a nice little headdress using just 1 petal from my beautiful flower Bling Wrap and a single strand of my other Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled. I'm just going to place it right in the center of the forehead like so, and then I'll just add the single strip all the way back. So using my hot glue gun, I just add a small dot onto the rose petal, and then I just add it onto the forehead of the elephant, pressing it in gently just to make sure that it holds. I then do the same by adding another dab of hot glue onto the strip, and then add it to the elephant's head right directly behind the petal that I just added. And I just keep adding the glue and holding it in place until it gets to the end of where I cut it off. I then cut the excess off with my scissors, and we are ready for our next step. Next, I will be adding the mirror to the charger plate. I'm just going to carefully flip it around and add the contact cement only to the areas that will be in direct contact with the charger plate. So I put it at all the points all the way around, after which I use my hot glue gun just for that immediate effect. But as you all know, the contact cement, or if you have E6000 glue, that will give it that long lasting hold. So just working my way around all the contact points that will touch the charger. And then I'm going to go in and do the exact same thing as I did with the contact cement. I'm going to do the very same thing with the hot glue gun. After adding my glue, I just carefully place it down, making sure it's even on all ends, and just pressing it down firmly to make sure that it has that immediate hold. And then I will set it aside to dry for a while. After drying for about 3 hours, I'm ready for the next step, which is to add individual flowers to each point of the mirror, just to give it a little bit more glam and to brighten it up a little bit. So using my hot glue gun, I will be adding a petal to each of the points on the mirror, just like this. So this is what it looks like after I've added the rose petals, and now we're ready to add the elephant to the center of the mirror. Again, I'll be using, you guessed it, my cement as well as my hot glue gun, just to the edge of it, all the way around, making sure that I put a sufficient amount on, and then I'll just add some hot glue, the same manner in which I added the cement. And then I will just press it on to the very center of that mirror. So just to cover a little bit of the imperfection that I had after putting the elephant on, I'm going to be using some Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled and just adding it to the very base of where the elephant meets the mirror, all the way around. Just put in one strand around it. And here you have it, guys. We are all done. The white one that we did together, and then there are 2 gold ones that I did off camera. So what are we doing next? We are going to style them. Let's see how they all look together. And here they are, guys, up on the wall. I currently have them in the room that will be my office. I've slowly started to, add some things to that room, and we'll have a full tour for you once I have it finished. But I think they turned out great, and I have them up on the wall. I use command strips, and they are nice and tight. They are not going anywhere. I think they turned out beautifully. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know if you like them or how you feel about them. You know I do value your feedback. And thank you all so much for watching. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate you and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know every time I upload a video. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, y'all know how I feel about you. Thank you guys so much. Love you, love you, love you. And until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying, bye-bye.